Let's talk about test automation reporting in more detail, specifically how to handle the range of test jobs you have across your systems. Tesults helps you consolidate test results data across your test jobs. To make this possible, Tesults uses targets. Targets maps one-to-one with a test job. You can think of a target as a bucket to upload results data to. A project can have one or more targets. A target, just like a test job, corresponds to a set of test run properties. For example, build flavors such as debug, profile, and release. Environments like development, staging, UAT, QA, and production. Branches, for example, main, feature, and demo. Platforms or OS such as Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. Browsers like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and Edge. Devices like iPhone 16, Samsung Galaxy S24, PlayStation 5, and Xbox Series X. And types of tests like unit integration, system performance, load, and end-to-end. It's important to upload test results to the right target to make sure test history and comparisons between test runs make sense. The name of your target is entirely up to you and what makes sense for your project. You might create a target called debug, or perhaps combine various properties together to call it staging iOS main. No matter what platforms, build flavors, or branches you have for a project, Targets allows you to upload test results in a structured way that makes sense for your project and team. Here are a few more examples. A team is responsible for developing a web app and the back end for it. The team runs UI automated tests for the front end and API tests for the back end in two different environments, dev and staging. They have 4 test jobs, one for front end and dev, one for front end and staging, one for back end and dev, and one for back end and staging. They will require 4 targets, one for each of those test jobs. Another team is working on a video game for iOS, Android, and web, and they're running tests across 3 environments, dev, staging, and production. They will need 9 targets, one for iOS, Android, and web across each of the 3 environments, dev, staging, and production. Creating targets is easy. It takes one click from the Tesults configuration menu, or you can do it programmatically using the Tesults API. That's really all there is to it. Create targets that correspond to your test jobs or test pipelines. Push results data to the right target to benefit from the analysis Tesults automatically does for historical trends, regression, failure task tracking, notifications, stats, and supplemental analysis.